Now the next family is pyramid. Out of pyramids, we have to study only one of them, that is cone. Now cone has a circular base, right? This cone is same as ice cream cone. I'm sure all of you have seen ice cream cone. This is the same solid structure that we are talking about. Okay. Now one side is the base, which is circular. The radius is, let's say, r. The height is taken as h. Now this length is called slant height, and this is taken as L. So there are various relations that you need to memorize in a cone. Now as you can see, there is a relation between L, H and R, that is slant height, height and radius. This is also R. So this relation is clearly, according to Pythagoras theorem, it will be L square is equal to H square plus R square, or you can also say that L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. This is one very important relation. Then the second one. Now for pyramids, volume is given as 1 by 3 into base area into height. Right? Now we have seen earlier for prism, the volume formula was base area into height. For pyramid, it is 1 by 3 into base area into height. Right? So for cone, particularly for cone, the volume formula will be equal to 1 by 3 into the base area. Now base is pi r square because the base is circular. Right? So the base area will be pi r square into the height, not the slant height, simple height, that is h. So the volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then comes the curved surface area, only the curved surface area. In short, it is also called CSA. Now this curved surface area of a cone is calculated as a direct formula pi r L. This L is the slant height. And from there you can also see that the total surface area will be equal to just the sum of curved surface area, which is pi r L, plus the other base area, that is circular base area, which is pi r square. Right? So for cone you have to be a little careful. Total surface area is pi r square plus pi r L, whereas the curved surface area is only pi r L. Okay, so cone has to have a slightly different treatment. One formula, that is a relation between LHR, slant height, height and radius. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now remember, pi r square h was the formula for cylinder. Okay, whereas the volume formula is 1 by 3 of pi r square h. So both of them can be memorized together. So in fact, there is one important relation that comes up for same dimensions. Right? Now what dimension do we mean here? We mean if the dimensions of radius and height are the same, then volume of cone will be equal to, according to the formula itself, 1 by 3 into the volume of cylinder. Try and understand this. If for the same dimension, that means, so if a cone and a cylinder are given of the same dimension means same radius and same height, then the volume of cone will be 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. That is this special rule says. Alright.